Hey there, gorgeous. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing your skin so smooth and radiant that you feel like you've traveled back in time. Wrinkles, fine lines, not anymore. Today, I'm sharing a natural, super effective secret to lift your face and erase wrinkles, no matter your age. Trust me, you'll want to try this as soon as possible because it's simple, natural, and oh so powerful. In today's video, I'm sharing a magical, all-natural collagen-boosting cream that can help reduce wrinkles and tighten your skin, even if you're 70 or older. Trust me, this is a game changer. Ready to unlock this magical DI? Let's dive in. Now, I know most of us are busy juggling house chores, work, and everything in between. It's easy to neglect skincare when life gets hectic. But this recipe is so simple and quick that anyone can fit it into their routine. Hi everyone. Welcome to GlamGuide for Youth, your one-stop destination for natural beauty tips and DIY skincare remedies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me tell you why this cream is so effective. It's not just about moisturizing your skin, it's about transforming it from within. This cream boosts collagen production naturally. Collagen is what keeps your skin tight and youthful. As we age, our skin loses collagen, which leads to sagging and wrinkles. But the powerful nutrients in this DIY cream penetrate deep into your skin to rejuvenate and restore it. Think of it as feeding your skin a nutritious meal packed with antioxidants and hydration, leaving it firmer, softer, and glowing. And the best part? It's completely natural and free from chemicals, so it's perfect for all skin types. All the ingredients are likely already in your kitchen or pantry. All right, let's get started on crafting this magical facelift cream. Trust me, this is not just another DIY. This is the recipe that will make your skin thank you every single day. Keep watching because I'll also share some bonus skincare tips to make your results even better. And here's the thing. When you take just a little time to care for your skin, the results are truly rewarding. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing healthy, glowing, wrinkle-free skin. That's what makes me happy, knowing my viewers are benefiting from these simple yet effective DIY recipes. Do you have any favorite DIY skincare hacks or tips? Share them with me in the comments. I'd love to know. Step 1. Avocado, the star of the show. First, we're starting with an avocado. Did you know this little green powerhouse is packed with healthy fats and vitamin E? It's like nature's botox. Avocado hydrates your skin, repairs damage, and gives you that youthful elasticity. Now, here's a fun fact. Avocados were once called the fruit of the gods in ancient cultures because of their miraculous benefits. So, let's scoop out all that creamy goodness and pop it into a blender or food processor. Smooth is the goal here, no lumps allowed. Smooth paste equals smooth skin. Quick question. Do you know how to pick the perfect avocado? If you do, share your tips in the comments. If not, I'll tell you mine at the end of this step. Step 2. Olive oil, liquid gold for your skin. Next, we're adding 1 spoon of olive oil. Why olive oil? Because it's packed with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids that fight wrinkles and deeply nourish your skin. Olive oil, which helps repair skin damage and boosts collagen production. It's like food for your skin, keeping it hydrated and protected from premature aging. Did you know that Cleopatra herself was rumored to bathe in olive oil to keep her skin youthful? And here we are channeling our inner queens by using it in our DIY cream. Mix well. Step 3. Coconut oil, the ultimate hydrator. Now let's add 1 spoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil isn't just a moisturizer, it's a protector. It creates a barrier on your skin that locks in moisture while smoothing out fine lines. Coconut oil is a wonder ingredient. It not only deeply moisturizes, but also creates a protective barrier on your skin. This helps lock in hydration and prevent dryness, which can make wrinkles more prominent. Tell me, have you ever used coconut oil on your face before? Some people swear by it while others hesitate. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And mix the coconut oil to the mixture, mix it well. Step 4. Almond oil, nature's skin booster. Now comes almond oil, one of the most underrated skincare heroes. Just 1 spoon is enough to boost your skin with vitamin A and fatty acids, which help reduce dark circles and puffiness. Almond oil is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for reducing dark spots and evening out skin tone. Plus, it's rich in fatty acids that keep your skin soft and plump. Here's something interesting. Almond oil has been used in Ayurveda for centuries for glowing skin. So, we're tapping into some ancient wisdom here. Step 5. Aloe vera gel, the soothing savior. And finally, we add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is famous for its soothing and hydrating properties. It cools your skin, reduces redness, and heals minor irritations. And of course, aloe vera gel, nature's ultimate hydrator. It soothes the skin, reduces inflammation, and gives your face that natural glow. It's also excellent for maintaining elasticity, which is key to wrinkle-free skin. Fun fact, aloe vera is often called the plant of immortality because it rejuvenates your skin so effectively. Doesn't that sound magical? Mixing everything into a creamy, silky smooth consistency. And there you have it, the ultimate natural facelift cream. Look at that texture. It's creamy, luxurious, and packed with skin-loving ingredients. What do you think? Would you try this at home? Or do you have a secret skincare ingredient you swear by? Let me know in the comments. I'll share a pro tip on how to apply this cream for the best results in just a moment, so stick around. Want to know how long this cream lasts and the best way to store it? I've got you covered. Keep watching. Now that your anti-aging cream is ready, it's time to apply it. Gently massage it onto your clean face and neck in upward circular motions. Leave it on for 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to sink deep into your skin. After 30 minutes, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel softer, smoother, and visibly refreshed. Use this cream 3 times a week for visible results. Reminder, don't forget your hands and décolletage. They need care too. For best results, use this cream at night before bed. Nighttime is when your skin goes into repair mode, making this the perfect time for a nourishing treatment. Store this cream in an airtight jar and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 7 days. Always use a clean spatula to take out the cream to avoid contamination. There you have it, your ultimate natural collagen cream for a facelift effect. With consistent use, this cream will help reduce wrinkles, improve elasticity, and leave your skin glowing like never before. And don't forget, beauty isn't just about what you apply on your skin, it's also about how you take care of yourself from the inside out. Drink water, get enough sleep, and keep smiling. That's the real secret to youthful skin. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little skincare magic. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing DIYs and skincare tips. See you next time. Stay glowing, my beautiful friends.